Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture of Business Analytics using R programming. In today's lecture, we are going to learn how to create matrix using R programming. So let's start the session. So first of all, you see this is our studio workspace. I start a new file. So I just open a new file. Now, to create a matrix, we have to use a symbol. We have to use one method that name is matrix. So, first example, I create my first matrix, that is my matrix. Okay, so I have to use method matrix, and next you have to pass the number or the strings that are elements of the matrix. For example, if you want to create a matrix of size 3 by 3, means 3 rows and 3 columns, it means it requires at least 9 numbers. So I create a one vector here having 9 numbers. So let's, for example, numbers are in sequence. Okay, now we have to give that how many number of rows and columns you require. For that you have to pass n row equal to 3, similarly n column equal to 3. Now let's check that this matrix is created or not. So I just write the variable my matrix. Now I run this code. You can see this 3 by 3 matrix is created, but the name of the rows and the name of the columns are not defined here. So if you want to give the name of rows and columns to this matrix, we have to use the different methods like name of the columns and name of the rows, and we give the name of the rows and columns. Now if you want to access any element of the this particular matrix, so you have to write my matrix. Okay, now you have to pass here that what are the number of rows and columns you want to access. So for example, if you want to access rows 1 and 2 and all the columns, so you have to write here C1 comma 2 and comma. It gives you all the columns but rows 1 and 2. Okay, so there is one spelling mistake. You can see here, you get all the columns but rows and only 1 and 2. Similarly, if you want to print only all the rows but column 2 and 3, then you can write this. Now if I print, you can see the result. So in this way you can create a matrix and access the element of the matrix. Thank you.